Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Ford Ranger XL dual cab ute, stock reference number 4352. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has suffered a rollover. We have the right hand headlight, hella spotlights and a STEDI light bar. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. It's got a Fleet Trades steel tray with a chrome headboard. It also has dual battery boxes. Hayman Reese tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. It has EFS leaf spring suspension sold as a kit with EFS XTR shockies and Firestone 7-inch airbags with all airlines and all fittings to fit your vehicle. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It is also a diff locked air locker type diff, supplied with all the airlines and an ARB compressor. Right front factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It does have a rip in the plastic trim, outside trim. Black center console lid, manual type. It does have compressor bolts, switches and air locker switches in it. 6-speed manual gear shifter. Heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player. And the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.